Hey, Paco's nephew, where you at, man? Paco's nephew. Hey, Paco's nephew.
What?
Hey, man, wake up, man.
Ay, tío.
Hey,
Hey,
Paco's nephew.
hey, gringo!
What's going on, man?
Gringo, what you do, man?
Hey, man.
Oh,
What are you doing on there, man?
Why? You know what? I discovered Australian dogs sleep much better than little Mexican. I fucking know that for sure.
Hey,
Oh,
man. What's your name, man? I'm sick of calling you Paco's nephew.
¿Qué?
What's your new name?
I can't tell you my name, man.
Come, man.
I can't tell you. I'm on the run, loco. If I tell you my name and this motherfucker tell somebody.
Come on. I bet you some real weird shit. It's like,
Yeah, weird.
goes forever, man. Come on.
It's a long name. It's traditional. It's traditional Spanish. Look, I'll give you the initial, okay?
What
Only
was
the
that?
initial. You can fucking work it out for yourself, okay?
Yeah, man.
It's N-O-Y-F-B, okay? You fucking work it out. I can tell
That's
you.
long, man.
It is long name. It is. It's traditional Mexican name. Oh, so tight. Traditional Mexican name, okay?
I'll figure it out, man.
Well, you see. That's like the Rubik Cube of names, man. You're not gonna be able to work that shit out. Come back to me, bud, you know? Holla back to, brother. You know?
Man. I see you got a Star Wars show.
What you do, eh?
It's Star Wars.
Yeah, you see Star Wars?
It's nice.
This remind me of a time, Georgie Lucas, you know George?
Who?
Are you ever, Georgie Lucas, he used to drink in Mexico all the time. He used to come to Tijuana sometime, at tequila with me, my Uncle Paco. He come with crazy idea, he all fucked up on tequila. He said, hey, Paco and nephew, listen. Imagine this guy and his sister, and then they don't know each other, and this other guy with a big dog, and they fly around in space, and they have a battle with a big robot, and I say, Georgie, you better lay off the tequila, loco, you know what I mean? And he said, I'm going to call it Star Wars. And I said, it's not ridiculous. I think, call it Space Fight. I would call it Space Fight. It's in space and they're fighting and stuff. I think that would take off. And then, you know, in commemoration of him, I made this shirt for him because his morale was very low that night. And because he was pissed. And, you know what? I haven't heard from him since. I suspect he didn't do very well with that idea. If he calls Space Fight, different idea. You know what I mean?